Hello my darlings, welcome to my channel. For today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of my Gucci pink Soho patent leather disco bag. Now I have had this bag for quite some time. I say unboxing because I always take it out of the box before the video, but I guess technically it's not an unboxing. I've had this bag for quite some time. It's extremely summery, so I always get it out a lot during the summer. We're actually coming up to summer now. Sure thing we're in quarantine, but I'm going to be wearing it in the house, I don't really care. Here it is. It's actually called a disco bag, which I love. I think it's because of the tassels, I don't know, but it's good fun. I absolutely love this bag. I've had this bag for years and I've gotten quite a lot of use, which you might be able to tell, but I actually think it's in pretty good condition. What I do with all my bags is I stuff them when I'm not wearing them, so I'll put either the bubble wrap, because I'm quite good at keeping it, or an old pillowcase or anything like that that you can just stuff inside of it, or even a cushion sometimes for the bigger bags. It just helps them maintain that shape and keep them looking as good as new, and they're expensive, so you want to make sure that you look after them. But this is the bag. I absolutely love it. Obviously my favorite thing is the tassels. I just think it's such a fun touch. This bag is so summery. I love wearing it with white and denim. I think it's such a nice touch. It is the statement piece. I think because it's this bright hot pink color, I feel like it has to be the statement piece of any outfit. Unlike maybe the Louis or anything like that kind of like brown colors which blend, I feel like this is the statement piece. I wear it with denim and nudie kind of pastel colors because it's very understated and it kind of gets all eyes on this, which they should be, because you know, it's Gucci. It's obviously got the classic Gucci logo on the front. It's got this gorgeous gold zip, which I love. Then it's got the tassel zipper, which how can you not love? And then inside, obviously I have the stuffing, but it's just got a nice little inside pocket as well, which is always a good thing. We love a good organizational department in our handbags. This is the Gucci bag. It's obviously got this really nice shoulder strap. It does look a bit crinkled when you're not wearing it, but once it's on, it hangs really well. Is one thing I will say, because this looks really bent, but it's not. It's just how it kind of looks off. And then it's got this little buckle, which I think aesthetically looks really nice. I know it's literally a practicality thing, but aesthetically it looks very nice. The gold matches the zip. I think it's a nice little detail to the bag, because the bag is quite plain apart from the tassel. It's a very plain bag, which I feel like it should be because it's so bright. Like less is more when you go that bright. But yeah, it's got this buckle, but it's also really good because you can adjust the length of the strap. That's good because women are so many different heights and you don't want it hanging down your legs or hanging up too high. You know where you want the bag and you know how you're wearing it, so it's good to be able to have a buckle to kind of adjust that. This is the bag. I absolutely adore this, if I haven't mentioned already. I love that it's so simplistic, but then it's that lovely hot pink color, so it really pops. It really becomes the statement of any outfit that you wear. And my favorite little feature is actually this tassel. It's got a gorgeous gold connector and it actually has these little studs on it, which I think is such a nice detail that you probably wouldn't notice. And then it's this gorgeous kind of fringe tassel, which I just think is so cool. It's nice and thick as well, which is a little bit different because normally tassel is like string. I think it's really cool that it's actually made of something thicker. I think that's a little bit different, a little bit unique, so I really like it. I absolutely love this bag. Let me know what you think down below, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I post tons of fashion videos and my designer bag collections because it's very highly requested. So I love doing it. I love talking about them. I love collecting it. So yeah, I had a lot of fun making this. Please give this a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.